Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ultimate nachos. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, like quality tortilla chips, seasoned ground meat, and a good blend of cheeses. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a large baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. This preparation ensures your nachos cook evenly and don't stick, setting the stage for a truly delicious snack or meal. Now, let's build those incredible layers. Start by spreading about 1/3 of your tortilla chips evenly across the prepared baking sheet. Next, add half of your seasoned ground meat and beans over the chips. Then, sprinkle 1/3 of your chosen cheese blend. Repeat these layers, ensuring each component is distributed well to create a rich and satisfying bite every time. With your layers complete, it's time to bake. Place your nachos in the preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and perfectly melted. Once out of the oven, immediately add your favorite fresh toppings. Think about a dollop of cool sour cream, a spoonful of vibrant salsa, or some spicy sliced jalapenos to elevate the flavors and textures. Once your ultimate nachos are out of the oven, serve them immediately while the cheese is still perfectly melted and gooey. The crispness of the chips combined with the warm toppings is truly irresistible. These are perfect for sharing with friends during a game or enjoying as a fun family dinner. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.